Hi, my name is Hamma Mukhtar, and I'm a software and control specialist with Meter. Today, I would like to talk to you about FactoryTalk Optix and give you a walkthrough. FactoryTalk Optix is the latest addition to Rockwell's visualization portfolio. It introduces new features and capabilities that allows it to become the heart of your industrial IoT and Industry 4.0 strategy. Looking at the current Rockwell automation visualization portfolio, we can see that FactoryTalk Optix is not replacing any of the existing offerings, it's adding to the portfolio. So the Panel View 5000s, the Panel View Plus 7s, and the Panel View ME Station, FactoryTalk View SE, all of those current offerings are still active and available. FactoryTalk Optix fills in a void that's not necessarily filled in by any of the current offerings. So from native third-party support to cloud-enabled options, as well as web clients and remote management directly embedded into FactoryTalk Optix. FactoryTalk Optix offers incredible flexibility. When it comes to deployment, you can build your application once and deploy it to either an industrial PC with a Windows or Linux operating system, or an Optix panel, which is a sealed firmware-based HMI, or for headless applications, you can use the Embedded Edge Compute module, which resides in a ControlLogix chassis for high-speed backplane communication, or the Optix Edge, which is a platform-agnostic DIN rail-mounted module. In 2026, Optix will receive its SCADA introduction, which gives it the option for workstation clients and server redundancy. So with that, regardless of the size of your application, you can deploy Optix across your entire industrial ecosystem. FactoryTalk Optix allows for multi-user collaboration and version control thanks to the Git integration in FactoryTalk Optix Studio. In addition to the Git integration, there's also third-party drivers natively supported in FactoryTalk Optix. It also has a mini historian internally that would allow you to collect data in the internal embedded database that's an SQL-like database, or connected to an ODBC database that can be an SQL server or a MySQL server, as well as InfluxDB, local or remote. One of my favorite features personally is the open interface and the scripting capabilities. Within FactoryTalk Optix, you can write in C# scripts. It's what's known as NetLogic scripts in Optix that allows you to do a variety of different functions. That's not all. There's a lot more features that FactoryTalk Optix offers, and I highly encourage you to check it out yourself. Lastly, FactoryTalk Hub is cloud-enabled, meaning that it gives you the ability to either download FactoryTalk Optix and use it on-prem, or have the ability to use the studio in the cloud. With it being part of FactoryTalk Hub, more specifically the Design Hub, it allows for great integration with all the other software that are part of the Hub. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local account specialist.